Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it. Enable notification for future ongoing videos. Right, we are continuing on Postman series. Today's one more interesting topic. What are the different variables, right? Variable scope levels. Different types of variables we can create. What is the scope of that? Right, in Postman we can create different levels. Variables we can create at different levels. It has different scopes. Right, we'll see. First one is the global variable, accessible across all the requests in the workspace. Right, in the workspace, it will, if we create one variable in the global level, it will be visible to all the collections. All the collections it will be visible that are under workspace. Right. If we switch to different workspace, it will not visible. Only within the workspace, how many collections are there, for all those collections, it will be visible, global variable. Right, defined in the global section, how to refer that global variable. Any variable, we have to refer curly brackets only. This, right, 2 times curly bracket open, close. In between, write down the variable name. Right, for any type of variable, this is the syntax only. For collection variable, if we create a variable within the collection, that is visible within the collection only. That means under collection, how many requests are there? Right, inside a collection we can create multiple folders also. Right, within the entire collection it will be visible. If we create within the collection, means it is visible to entire collection. Right, it will not visible to another collection. Only where under which collection we have created, only for that only it will be visible. Collection variables. Right, then environment variable. Right, we can have in real time, we can execute our scripts in QA environment, right, dev environment, right, UAT environment, right, we can create. In those cases, it will be very helpful. Right, same request we will execute in different environments. So instead of creating, sometimes what will do, people don't know about these things. They will create multiple times same request, repeated duplicate code. Right, they will write duplicate request and then copy paste URLs. Right, it will become messy. Right, it is very difficult to maintain. Right, we can have a environment and we can create the environment variable. These variables are specific. Suppose I have created QA environment. Whatever variables I have created under QA, it will be visible to only QA. Right, and then local variables. Local variables exist within the request only. Right, suppose these are all visible within the request only. Wherever I have created, it will be visible there only. Right, and then data variables. Data variables is used when running the script with external data files. Right, we can run data driven testing. Right, if you want to achieve data driven testing, right, using CSV and JSON, we can achieve this. We will see how to achieve it. Right, data variables are used in the concept of right, data driven testing or normal testing also we can use right, data. Right, and also we have a default variables, secret variables. Right, regular variables are stored in Postman. Values are visible in plain text. Right, so far whatever we have seen, these are all plain text which will be visible. There is one more variable, secret variables. Right, sometimes we want to store API keys, right, passwords. Right, we want to sensitive data. Right, there will be a sensitive data, we want to hide it. Then we can create as a secret variable. So it will not be visible. Values are hidden and cannot be retrieved after setting. Okay, we will see that. Right, fine. We will see all these things one by one. Open the Postman. Right, close everything. Okay. Now come to on top. Right, variables. If you mouse over on top right side, there is a variable section. If you click on it, it will show what are the environments variable available. What is the environment variable? Global variable. Right, vault variables. Any vault variables, right, it will show. Right, if you click on the global, right, it will open like this. Right, if you open like this, then we can add the global variable. Suppose I will keep it as a global var. Okay, global variable. Let's say there are two types of scopes, right? One is default scope, one is secret. Right, suppose API key. Right, I will make it as a secret. Suppose initial value, if you want, we can set the global variable. Right, suppose initial value, right, something initial, I will give it as a initial only. Right, current value we will set from the, right, whatever initial value, it will be current. Through script we will update this current value, then it will change. Secret value, API key, something, see, we cannot see that, it will not visible. Right, if you want this eye icon, we can secret. Right, it will not visible secret values, but default values we can see, default type. Right, this is the global. Right, we can click on this variable section, we can click on the add, and then we can come here and save it. Right, see, now it is able to see under global section. Right, if you want to click add environment, I want to add an environment. Right, here global variables are created. Suppose if I want to create these are global variable visible anywhere. Right, global variables are visible anywhere. Suppose, right, in the prerequisite script. Right, suppose I want to print that console.log right, global variable. How to print that? Right, we have to use two curly brackets. What is the name of it? We have given global var. Right, global. Right, inside script we have to write like pm.globals.get to get the global variable. pm.globals.get. Right, global variable. Just clear the console. Right, again run it. See, now, right, we are getting that what is the value of the global variable. Right, global variable will be visible to all the collections. I write here we have two collections. It is visible to all the collections. Suppose if I create, right, a collection variable, collection level variable. Right, how to create collection level variable? Go to collection, click on the three dots, click on the edit. Right, here variables are there. Right, collection, click on the collection variable. Right, the variables are specific to the collection and its requests. Right, how to set this? Right, collection variable, you can create a collection variable. Suppose I will create a collection. Right, collection variable, initial value collection, current value, also some collection. Right, we have to click on the three dots of the collection, right, and then click on the edit. Right, we will come here. Right, just provide the value. This value is visible only for GoRest collection. All the requests under the GoRest. It will not visible request. Right, another collection it will not visible. Global variables will be visible, but collection variables are only within the same collection. Right, same way if we want to read collection variable, right, here global variable is console.pm.globals. Right, here collection variables, collection variable dot we have given what we have given, right, collection underscore variable. Right, just execute it. Right, just clear the console, execute it. Right, see global variable collection variable. Right, we have given global only. What is the name we have given? Right, here collection. collection variable. Okay, in the print statement I think we have given global, copy pasted, right? Collection, right? Collection variable, right? It will print. Now one more global variable, right? We have global variable, then collection variable, then environment variable. Right? How to create environment variable? On top we have environments, right? Right, click on the plus symbol, right? Click on the plus symbol, give the environment, right? Give the environment. You can give QA, dev, UAT, whatever we want. Suppose the app, right? Application host name, right? You can select either default or secret. Right, initial value, suppose https://google.com, something I am giving for now, later we will see this. Right, environment variable, app environment variable also visible to all the collections. Right, now go to here. Suppose we will create an environment variable for this, right? Right, instead of creating dummy one, right, we will create right, for the up to host we can create it. Again go here, right? Otherwise click on the top, environment, right? How to create environment? Quickly go to new environment, click on new environment, or otherwise we will go here, click on this environment, right? Click on the plus symbol, right? We can give the environment as QA. You can give the variable name base URL, right? What is the base URL? Okay, base URL, default value, right? What we will do, we will go right here we will take the base URL, right? Base URL, and go to environment, copy this, right? Now save this. Now base URL, right? We will replace here, instead of hard coding every time, right? We will replace this. How to replace? You can remove up to that and open to curly brackets, paste what is the key, right? It is showing in a red color, that means there is no environment. Right, on top we can select it, save, right? Base underscore URL, right? Now just run it. Could not send request. What is the issue here? Base URL, okay, enter the value, right? Base URL you can give, right? In the environments we have created one environment, you can create one URL, right? Just give the what is the value here, right? What is the value here? If you click on this header, right, then it will open environment, right? We will, right, lot of times we will confuse where this environment variables, right? Just click on this top icon, click on this environment header, right? That link, it will open here, right? It will open here, right? Now come here, our get request, close this, right? Here double curly brackets, give base underscore URL, right? See, if you mouse over, it is changing to, right? This blue color means it is successfully, right? On top, make sure that QA is selected. Suppose if you select no environment, it will come see orange color, it will be no value, right? So we have to select on top environment, right? We have click on it. See, now it is working, right? Working fine now, right? We will continue further on these variables, right? More depth. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Share to your friends, comment, right, like the video.